In statement number 48, here instead of is there should be are. So B part is an error part. B part is an error part. चलो बच्चों आगे नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं अपन. रीड इट केयरफुली, डोंट मेक हेस्ट. Read the statement. He intended to qualify the examination. Come on. He intended to qualify the examination. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है? Is there any part which is wrong or none of the parts is wrong? Look at here. He intended, the statement is very simple. He intended to qualify the examination. Come on. He intended. Intent V1, intended V2. Simple past tense है. He intended. Parth, good. Very good. Mandar, don't please try to confirm your answer. Sahil, he intended to qualify the examination. No error, simple past tense है. There is no error in part B, no error in part B, no error in part A. The examination finish, no error. फिर एक बार सोच लीजिए. One more time, please. No. Intended is correct. अगर इंटेंड होता तो फिर इंटेंट्स चाहिए था वहाँ पे. So A part is correct, B part is correct, C part is correct, and D part no error. So we have to click this answer D. काफी स्टूडेंट आंसर की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें 2 to 3 स्टूडेंट्स have correctly given the answer. So part D is correct. Click the part D. Sahil, Rishabnath, then Aditya, Mandar. Very good. This is the statement number 49 D. D. Ayush, no error. Rishabnath, good, no error. Next statement, the statement number 49. Statement number 49. Statement number 49. Read. Now statement, it was statement number 49. Now statement number 50. Yes, Sahil, you are right. Statement number 50. None of the hundreds of striking workers were allowed to go near the factory. None of the hundreds of striking workers were allowed to go near the factory. Not one of the hundreds of striking workers were allowed. Not one of the hundreds of striking workers were allowed to go near the factory. 50. देख लो. Not one of the hundreds, यानी 100 में से एक भी, 100 में से एक भी. Subject become one only here. Not one of the hundreds of striking workers, यानी 100 स्ट्राइकिंग वर्कर में से एक को भी अलाउड नहीं किया गया. Not one of the hundreds of striking workers were allowed to go near the factory. यानी 100 में से 100 को तो छोड़ दीजिए, 100 में से एक भी व्यक्ति को या वर्कर को was not allowed. Workers was instead of where there should be was. पंकज, मंदार, ऋषभनाथ, क्योंकि this verb stands for one, not one of the hundreds. यानी all hundreds नहीं है, just उसमें से एक है. 100 तो छोड़िए, let alone the hundreds. Out of them, just one is not allowed. One was not allowed. Past tense है. So was instead of where there should be was. Say part, Sahil. Say part is an error part. Yes, very good. Ayush, Rushabnath, Mandar. So was stand for one of the hundreds, means out of the hundreds, one was not allowed. None of the 100, that means not a single person was allowed. So part C. Then statement number 51. Come on, guys, statement number 51. First you read the statement, think over and click your part, answer your part. First read, I am sure that neither the house nor the contents is for sale. Statement number 51. I am sure that neither the house nor the contents, plural, the second subject is plural, is for sale. देख लीजिए, statement number 51. I am sure that neither the house nor the contents is for sale. So second subject is in plural. Good. Yes. Ayush, Pankaj, Mandar. C part is an error part because instead of is there should be are. Instead of is there should be are. Yes. I am sure that neither the house nor the contents are for sale. Very good. Rushabnath, Avishkar, good. Mandar, nice. Sahil, good. Jay, good. Now, dear friends, next statement की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. चलो. Statement number 52. Statement number 52. Earlier that was 51. Now 52. Aditya, please. Statement number 51 में C part is a wrong one. Instead of it, there should be R. Now statement number 52. 52. Sahil, 52. Statement number 52. Read. The mother as well as her children were brought to the police station for interrogation. No error. $52. मदर, और जब एज वेल एज इस्तेमाल होता है तो जो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट रहेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वर्ब विल बी देयर। सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट में हमने देखा है व्हेन एज वेल एज इज यूज्ड, तो फिर जो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है उसके अनुसार वर्ब चेंज होगा। द मदर सिंगुलर है, द मदर, एज वेल एज हर चिल्ड्रन, एज वेल एज हर चिल्ड्रन। तो ये कोई नॉट वन ऑफ द वगैरह ऐसा है नहीं, या एज वेल एज है। एंड व्हेन एज वेल एज यूज्ड, सो जो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट रहेगा अगर वो सिंगुलर रहेगा तो वर्ब विल बी सिंगुलर, वो प्लूरल रहेगा तो फिर वर्ब विल बी प्लूरल। द मदर इज सिंगुलर, the mother is singular, the mother as well as her children were brought to the police station for interrogation. हाँ, yes, आयुष, आविष्कार। B part is an error part. Jay, good. आविष्कार, whether B part, B part, B part is a wrong one. Error part, B part. The mother as well as her children, mother और उसके अपने बच्चे भी were brought to the police station for interrogation. B part is an error part. Very good. No आविष्कार, children is there, children is there, क्योंकि मदर उसके एक बच्चे के साथ नहीं, बाकी उसके जो कुछ भी है मोर देन 2 या एक से ज्यादा 1 2 3 4 चिल्ड्रन, द मदर और उसके जितने भी बच्चे हैं, हर चिल्ड्रन वर ब्रॉट टू द पुलिस स्टेशन फॉर इंट्रोगेशन। चिल्ड्रन, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड। आविष्कार, सो बी पार्ट, yes, instead of where there should be was. Very good, Mandar, because subject is singular, the mother। हालांकि ये प्लूरल बनता है लेकिन as well as होने के वजह से because of as well as we have to consider the first subject. If it is singular then we have to use was, if it is plural then we have to use where। when as well as is concerned, mother और उसके बच्चे, yes, so B part is an error part, instead of where there should be was, instead of where there should be was। मैं आपको फिर एक बार बोल रहा हूं कि मदर सिंगुलर है और चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल है तो दोनों मिलके प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट बनता है। लेकिन डियर फ्रेंड्स, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट में हमने देखा है कि फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट और दूसरे सेकंड सब्जेक्ट के बीच में अगर एज वेल एज आता है तो फिर फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट कंसीडर होगा और फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार वर्ब रहेगा। तो ये जो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट द मदर प्लूरल सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, तो फिर इसीलिए यहाँ पे वाज होगा। नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, आप ध्यान दीजिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज। सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज लिसन कि द मदर एज वेल एज हर चिल्ड्रन, ये प्लूरल दिखता है लेकिन इसमें दो सब्जेक्ट है, मदर एंड हर चिल्ड्रन। तो जब दो सब्जेक्ट रहेंगे और बीच में अगर एज वेल एज है, व्हेन एज वेल एज इज यूज्ड, तो फिर सेकंड सब्जेक्ट कंसीडर नहीं होगा। जैसे कि इसमें हमने सेकंड सब्जेक्ट कंसीडर किया, इसमें हमने नॉट वन ऑफ द 1 आउट ऑफ 100, तो इसमें है एज वेल एज, दोनों भी सब्जेक्ट है, मदर एंड हर चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल है, मदर सिंगुलर है, लेकिन दोनों के बीच में अगर एज वेल एज का इस्तेमाल होता है, व्हेन एज वेल एज इज यूज्ड, तो ऐसे हालत में ये जो सेकंड हर चिल्ड्रन जो ज्यादा है उनको कंसीडर नहीं किया जाएगा जब वर्ब की बात आएगी। तो फिर फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट द मदर के अनुसार वर्ब चेंज होगा एंड मदर इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, so verb will be singular, so instead of where was will be there, was। very good, so B part is a wrong part, B part is an error part. Good. Next, statement number 53. Statement number 53. People have a right to criticize, but at the same time, each of them, you have to remember his duty. अब देख लीजिए स्टेटमेंट नंबर 53 में, ये बहुत आसान है. ईच ऑफ देम यानी उसमें से किसी को भी, एक को भी, हर एक को. Here you will see people have right to criticize. यहाँ आया है because of the people, plural form. लेकिन यहाँ पे यहाँ जो आया है each of them यानी हर एक को, एक एक एक. So फिर according to one, will there be have or has? Has. Yes. Each of them has instead of have. There should be has, because this will stand for each of them, har ek. Very good. And C part, instead of have, there should be has. Very good. Has. Avishkar. Mandar. Good. Jay. Absolutely right. C part is an error part. C part is an error part. C part is an error part. Very good. Sahil. Good. Pankaj. Jay. Avishkar. You understand the problem? Because this verb stands for each of them, means har ek. So here should be just has instead of have. Aditya. Good. Now, second last statement. Second from the last. Second last, that means second from the last. Second from the last. This is not the last. It is the second from the last. So it is called second last. Now, statement number 54. You read. 54. When the dentist came in. When the dentist came in. When the dentist came in, my tooth was stopped aching. Out of fear that might lose my tooth. That might lose my tooth. Had stopped. Very good. Parth. Had stopped. Instead of yes, my tooth had stopped aching out of fear that might lose my tooth. Very good. When the dentist came, my tooth had stopped aching. Good. Statement number 54 में B part is an error part. Sahil. Good. Had stopped. Had stopped. Avishkar. Had stopped, not has. Carry the past. My tooth had stopped. Next. Statement number. Instead of was, there should be had. had stopped. My tooth had stopped. Then statement number 55. 55. Come on to the statement 55. Try to accept the change, dear friends. Try to accept the change. When the dentist came, past tense. So here should be past tense also. Now, statement number 55. Statement number 55. Read. You read yourself. All you people read carefully, think over, and try to answer. Don't make haste. Statement number 55. Most of the students here have come to the right answer. Avishkar, Siddharth, Parth. Very good. Parth, Sahil, Rohan, Jay. Jay, think carefully. What part might be the wrong? Out of these four parts, you have to select one that is correct. Read again the statement. The students who are getting confusion, please read again. Never I have come across a man who is foolish to such an extent. Never I have come across. Here, never is used. So this sentence have begun with the never. Actually, I have never come across. I have never come across. I have never come across a man who is foolish to such an extent. I have never come across. So, part obviously. And when you want to use the never first, then the statement will be like this. Never have I come across. When you are using never at the beginning of the statement, then it will be like this. Never have I come across. And when you are using I first, then you can use then you can use never in between I and have. I have never come across. So obviously it is very simple that part A of the statement number 5 is a wrong one. Is a wrong one. Yes, Sahil. Aryan, please. Very good. Atharva. A part is an error part. Very good. My dear students, you have taken a lot of efforts to complete this exercise. I appreciate the efforts you have taken for this exercise. And now uh, we begin our doubt session, please. If you have query from the statement number 36 to 55, if you have any doubt from statement number 36 to 55, please. But unnecessarily you don't get confused. When you become confused, your confusion will become again more and more confusion. So try to solve yourself. One confusion can make another confusion. So try to make the things smooth. Statement number from 36 to 55. ऋषिकेश सर त्यांचं डाउट सेशन घेऊया. हॅलो ऋषिकेश सर प्लीज देअर डाउट सेशन. Come on guys, if you have any query. ऋषिकेश sir, doubt session please.
Participants, please raise your hands if you have any queries. No one has, sir.